Okay. Now, this is cloud computing. Now, what is Salesforce? In Salesforce, they introduced Arkil Xempli, Mark Benioff. He's a founder of Salesforce. And initially, after 2008, the mark in market, most of the clients knowing about Salesforce, one CRM tool is there available. We have to go with that. This is cloud related. And after 2012, most of the business or most of the projects migrating to the Salesforce from Siebel. Most of these projects before 2012, we have in Siebel only. A Siebel only. After that, they move. Most of the clients migrate to the Salesforce only. Salesforce only. And now the business going with Salesforce Salesforce.com only. Most of the clients there business related different application they're implementing nowadays. Any industry, not only CRM related applications. The two we have not only CRM related only, but most of the industries like they're providing related to the pharma and telecom and whatever industries like we have oil and gas and banking sector. Initial days in most of the banking organizations are not believing the Salesforce. Why means the server placed in Salesforce.com. Salesforce. Most of this I'm explaining the things like this is the way. Here one server, you are the one ICICI or something, any client we have, banking client. This is cloud server. For example, here we have different clients information stored. For example, in this place, see here we are adding ICICI client, any bank. Here we have some pharma client data we are adding. Here some telecom, and here we are adding oil and gas industry. Here we have some insurance organization. See here space in cloud server. Say for example, Salesforce.com only. Salesforce.com providing this space for this pharma client. This space for ICICI. This space for telecom. Like this is the way they're providing the split the server and providing the client more secure. And in case you are the pharma user, this organization, pharma organization related user, in case you have to log into the pharma, you have to access within this space only. You are not getting any access related to other clients information. See, this is the way they introduced this cloud servers. But here initially this server placed, where the server placed, whoever providing the technology. For example, Salesforce.com only. Salesforce.com maintaining these servers. Salesforce.com, where the Salesforce.com organization we have. They placed servers. And backup servers also they placed in different regions. In case the actual server placed in USA, and the backup is in Europe and Asia, and two backups with every server they're maintaining in case any disasters or anything happening. They're doing backup servers also. They're maintaining the backup servers. And one more thing is, in case you have to, most of the clients initial days not believing about this. especially banking sector. Actually, banking sector, they place their server, their headquarters, or some their secure way they're doing this all information. Banking means accounts information, customers information, their tracking information in server only, but the server placed in their headquarters, like that they're doing. But here in salesforce.com, they're maintaining the servers their place only. So initially, most of the clients and different industries clients are not believing, but nowadays they're doing more secure and they're showing all the things. And nowadays, most of the clients interesting, even banking and insurance and financial related also interesting on this cloud related, and that reduce the cost. In case you have to buy the server, you have to place in your headquarters, you are the client. Your headquarters means in you have to buy the server, but your customers you have to space. This is enough. This space is enough. Particular this space is enough for you. This space is enough for you, but this is empty server. There is no use. And one more thing is, in case any issues you are getting, any issues you are getting, and this server down sometimes, like this type of happenings, who is taking care about? You have to maintain the team to any server issues related, and you have to maintain the some database related team, and different teams we have required. You have to recruiting those, or you have to uh, contract sign with any service based company, like this type of things happening. I'm saying about uh, a client perspective. But here in case you have to go with this cloud server, no need of the server related issues, performance, and server down issues, like who is taking care about, who is providing this server. Uh, Cloud server, this is cloud server. Who is providing this? Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com take care about these all things. Okay, no need to. Here, one more thing is in normal server we are tracking this metadata and data, everything we have to tracking in this server only. Uh, uh, in this server only. So no need to download any softwares. No need to use any hardwares related. You can go with this cloud server only. Everything. So, but how the Salesforce.com get this revenue? How they're getting the how are they getting the money? They're providing the server and they're providing the software. I'm saying about platform, infrastructure, software, everything's out. Salesforce.com providing. How they're getting the revenue, or how they're getting the income. So the thing is, they're purchasing, they're selling this. Their customers means our clients purchasing user license from the Salesforce.com. They're selling user license. What are the licenses we have? Like we can discuss after. Before that, see here with examples, what is why we can go with cloud computing. See, universal access, work from anywhere. With using internet access, we can work anywhere. No need to maintain hardware and softwares, like these all things. Flexibility and security, the things I'm saying about explaining that server related things now, but security wise and cost reduction. No need to buy these all things, software, hardwares, and these all things. And explaining about a pizza service, how we can get this on demand. Like this is the things we have. In case we have to go with the non-cloud related technologies, on premises, who is taking care about these all things, applications, data, runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, servers, this storage, networking, these are all things who is taking care about client only. Who required applications, those people taking care about these things. Client only taking care about these all things. Okay. And coming to the in case you have to go with this cloud computing, what are the things we have? Infrastructure, platform, software. See, infrastructure means like networking, storage, servers, virtualization. These are all things. Who is providing? Who is providing the technology? In our case, Salesforce.com providing these all things. And coming to the platform. Platform means this OS and middleware, runtime, these all things. And software means applications and data. These are all things. Who is providing? Who is providing the technology for cloud computing related? I'm saying about these all things. In case we have to go with non-cloud, on premises, these all things. Who is taking care about? Client only. But these things are not client. Client is only there purchasing user licenses only from this cloud computing technology. That is Salesforce.com. We have from Salesforce.com, client purchase only user licenses. Okay, these are all things. Who is taking care about? Who is taking care? Salesforce.com only taking care about these all things. See, what is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is a business tool that allows you to manage your all customer and partners and prospects information. We have to go with this CRM. We are calling as a CRM. That we are tracking the information in applications, so customers, partners, and prospects information. See here, we have to purpose retain existing clients and acquire new clients, and the business growth related. They're using applications and more features available and innovative things like these all things they introduced, and we have to easily tracking and flexibility, and anywhere we have to work and tracking the customer information. These are all things using these applications, the CRM applications or related things. Why we can go with the CRM? See here, avoid paperwork and build and maintaining strong loyal relationship with customers and prospects, and reduce process time and increase productivity. And this is more benefits while we can go with the CRM technologies related to this tracking the customers information and consistent user experience across all touch points. We have to do these all things. That is the benefits. In case we can go with CRM. And coming to the traditional versus cloud, we are discussing about these all things and how CRM works. This is a multi-tenant architecture. You people knowing about the apartment. In case any apartment is there outside, we have to see everything is like as a house, one house only. But that is a server. Apartment is a server. Within the apartment, we have different flats is there, different blocks and flats we have. That is nothing but each flat related one client, data storage, metadata and data. We have to space provide to the client within the server. No? That is multi-tenant architecture. All users share a single common infrastructure and code base that is centrally maintained. This is what I explained here. What I explained here, that is the thing, multi-tenant architecture. We have and easy accesses with using access the data from any device, like just you have to provide how we can log into the Gmail and Facebook. Similar way here also you have to log into the Salesforce org directly, providing the username, password, access the data from any device, that is mobile, tab, and laptop, any device, or and making it easier for everyone to see the same information at the same time. We have to log in with different users. Based on the access, they can able to access the data. Easy to customization. Already I told about these things. They're providing some applications in case client want to enhance that flow that their business related, on any functionality, new functionalities they required. We have to do easily do this customization things. And this is the Salesforce related. We have to fast deployment, automatic software updates. Who is taking care about automatic software updates? Means Salesforce.com only. the ability to work, and new features also they're adding. Every we have every in Salesforce.com, every 4 months we have one release is there. Every 4 months we have one release. Summer, winter, spring, like summer, winter, spring, like that. We have three releases every year. They're adding new features to the sales. What are the drawbacks and in existing existing features? Like they're updating those things, and new features they're adding. In 2014 or 15 to now, most of 80% Salesforce, whatever things we have, concepts, like most of the things uh, are changed now, 2015 to now. So in case anyone worked on Salesforce before 2015 now, most of the things he or she don't know about this. Once he or she opening any Salesforce arc, he don't know about this. I'm saying about especially administrator and developer point of view, and even end user also. That UI everything is changed now. So they're providing every 4 months their release. There is a release we have every 4 months. They're adding the new features and new things. Nowadays we have different things. We have data cloud is there, AI related also almost we have nowadays available. Salesforce AI we have. And what are the new things in market? Definitely Salesforce.com adding those related to that new things related to adding features in Salesforce. And most of the clients are interesting to go with Salesforce. This is the one reason. And one more reason, their app exchange. App exchange is there. Like in iPhone, we have a store is there, an app store. In Android mobiles also, we have install the applications like similar way. Here also in Salesforce, they're providing an app exchange. In case you have any idea, you have to implement the application on managed package. You have to add that package or application into the app exchange. Any our clients, whatever the business related, any predefined applications are available or not, they're checking here. Any application is available related to my business, like they're checking on, do no need to implement that application, that waste of time and waste of money. Just they're buying that application from App Exchange. Here, this is marketplace for applications, App Exchange. Easily, they're getting the applications, predefined applications in case anything who is providing this application, contact to them, the client is contact to them, and they're signing the contract, or they buying this application, like this type of things happening. This is one more thing, App Exchange. And futures and cloud related, this is a cloud related technology. These all are based on these all things, like Salesforce is on demand CRM nowadays. And one more thing, these are the things we have. And here, in case you need to implement the application, you are the new business you have, but applications required. So you have to contact to salesforce.com. First, they're explaining about the editions. What are the editions available for which type of business? You are the large scale industry or medium scale or small scale industry. You have to check with your clients, that Salesforce people, and they're providing different editions: unlimited, enterprise, professional, group edition, and developer. So different editions, other editions also we have. Unlimited means large scale of industries. In case you have more users on daily basis log into the org and they're tracking the customers information that is in different countries, in globally the organization tracking the information about the customers and like this type of things happening. They're going with unlimited edition. Base, the more licenses they required and more data they're tracking and files they're tracking, like this type of things. In case daily basis they're doing, they're going with unlimited edition. Coming to the enterprise and professional editions we have. This is the medium scale industries and small scale industries. Like means each edition related, the price will be changed. That user license cost will be changed. Okay, based on this editions and more. In case we can go with unlimited edition, there is no limitations and more users log in and each user license also related more limit. No, there is no limitations most of the time, no limitations and no data storage and file storage is more, like this type of things happening. And based on the editions, your business, based on your business, there suggest these editions on different organizations working on as a group, like this group edition also useful. And coming to the developer edition, here the developer edition means for you people, you are the trainers. Now you people learning this Salesforce. Now for you people, this is the free edition. Developer edition is the free edition. In case we have to create with any trial arc, we are creating from this developer edition only. The trial arc, any user creating developer edition only. The license is available from developer edition. For you people, you are the new to Salesforce, you need to learn Salesforce now. So you have to do practice and you are knowing about the concepts and what are the things, like you people know, you people go with this developer edition. So they're providing developer edition for this who is taking the training and new people purpose. This is free edition. Based on these editions, we are getting the licenses. These all things happening. Now we are discussing about, we discussed about before, like what is the user of sales, what is Salesforce, and what is the user of Salesforce, what are the things they're providing, and how Salesforce nowadays on demand, like these all things explained. Now, course related things. Uh, yeah, in this course, we have to cover four parts on dividing here. First thing is admin. Here in admin, we have to working on this data model and providing the security to the application and uh, automation processes, automations, and reports and dashboards generations. How we can create the reports and dashboards, and few more things related to we are covering on deployments also, migration, metadata migration or deployments we have to do, and other concepts also we have deployments and data models, security, automations, reports and dashboards, deployments and other etc. Uh, Different things we have to discuss about in admin part as an administrator. Most of this user management, like these all things we covered in admin. Okay, this is the admin part. And now development. Yeah, this admin will take 25 to 30 days. 25 to 30 days duration. This course duration 25 to 30 days. admin will take. Coming to the development. Development, here we have different parts is there. One is a server side language. If anyone knowing about Java, .NET, like that, in Java, core Java is there. There is a language. Uh, and in .NET, we have C Sharp. Similar way, in Salesforce, we have Apex. This is similar to core Java and C Sharp. 90% syntax is same. This is also OOPS based language only. It will take almost 30 days. Only this language will take 30 days. Here, this is similar to uh, core Java, Apex, C Sharp. These three, even syntax also 90 to 95% is same in these three. Anyone knowing about core Java, you have to understanding or learning easily this Apex part. You don't worry about those things. You don't know about core Java, C Sharp. You are new to the or this IT and no issues. I will explain this programming language with basics. How you people are knowing about our kids like this kids like letters and like then words a similar way. I'm explaining the this language, this Apex language. What are the data types, variables, and uh, what are the things if you require basic things for learn any language. I will explain those all things and then explain about this Apex related concepts. Okay, 30 days it will take. Then I'm explaining about classic. Actually, in Salesforce, before 2015 or 16, most of the are using classic view. I will explain in classes, in first one or two classes. So the time I'm explaining about this classic, what is classic, and that view. I'm saying about user interface, classic user interface we have. There we have markup language. In case we are implementing any custom pages, that markup language, you people knowing about HTML. Similar way, here we have Visual Force pages. Visual Force. I will explain 7 days these things. But nowadays so we are not using this Visual Force page to implementing any pages, UI, user interface, or view related pages. In case we are not using this Visual Force pages. In case once you are enter into any project, there we have any existing Visual Force pages, any enhancements or any enhancement or changing anything on Visual Force pages. You are getting any requirement related to that, I will explain those all things in 7 days. That Visual Force markup language. This is a markup language. I am explaining all the things within 7 days. Then lightning. This is nowadays. This classic to they're changing classic to lightning. The entire Salesforce nowadays we are using this lightning view only. Everything in lightning now. Most of these clients also using this lightning only. See here also two parts we have in lightning. One is aura aura components we're designing, and second thing is lightning web components. Lightning web components. See here this aura and lightning web components almost have to take 25 days. 25 days to 30 days. It will 25 to 30 days. See, in Aura, I'm explaining about on UI, this Aura framework we have to design any page. We have three things required. One is user interface, UI, whatever. As an end user perspective, you are providing this any application or any form you have to fill in. first name, last name, phone, email, that is user interface. And we have to, once you have to save that information, you have to see next step, like that information, that is user interface. That user interface for classic Visual Force pages we have in Aura framework, we are using Aura framework. And one more thing is client side and server side we have. Client side means there is a script we have. Client side, I will explain these all things next. Client side, we are using JavaScript here. Server side, we are using Apex. The language is Apex only. And a similar way here also in Lightning Web Components also, here we are using templates. HTML templates we are using for UI. For UI, user interface related, we have to use Aura framework here. UI is HTML templates for designing user interface. This client side and the server side here also we are using JavaScript and Apex only, but here we are using modern JavaScript. Modern JavaScript means mm, futures in JavaScript, new things we have now with using that. We are adding modern JavaScript. These all things I'm explaining 25 to 30 days. How we can design the components and how we can add those components into the application page. Like these all things I'm explaining. Okay, in case we have to go with customization, client asks any customization, these all things required. Okay, these all things required. And one more thing is integrations. Integrations. See here, integrations means interacting with external system. Any client, you have to client choose different technologies. Their business process or business flow or some part for end users point of view, they can able to see the data and everything easily in Salesforce. And any financial or calculations related and these type of things, we have to go with SAP and other technologies we have, other tools we have in market based on the business flow for particular part of the business. This technology or this tool is very useful for our business. Like that, they're treating and they're adding, they're choosing the technology or tool. That in entire project, most of the clients having different technologies, different tools they're using. But finally, but the data customers information or any data, but in every system, our system is Salesforce and the client using different systems. They're using Pega, they're using ServiceNow, they're using SAP, like different system. So the data is maintaining in everywhere the same data. That, for example, customer data only in sales for that customer data in how many products they purchased, 5 products, the cost is $1,000. This information same in other technologies, other systems also. Systems means Pega system and service now, like different systems we have in there also. So we have to do this, maintaining the data in every system, or we are passing the data or consuming the data from external, like we have to do these integrations, means Salesforce to Java, Salesforce to SAP, Salesforce to .NET system. We have to providing the services and consuming the services. For that, we are calling as a inbound and outbound integrations. Inbound and outbound integrations we have. In different ways we can do this inbound and outbound integrations. If some people having knowledge on this REST API, SOAP API, REST SOAP, or like similar way we have to do here also, and using some events, like we are passing the data, consuming the data, like these all things we can do. Almost this is I'm explaining 7 to 10 days. This integrations. Totally, we have almost 3.5 months. It will take the course duration. These all things I'm explaining the course duration. Okay. In case you people to log into the Salesforce and you people knowing about what are the things on UI, what are the things you have to see, like this type of things. You have to open any trailer. I'm explaining within 2 or 3 minutes. These things. First, we have to client perspective. You are thinking, not a customer, not a developer. Client perspective. You have to think on. First, you have to go with remembering this URL also. URLs also. First, we have to developer dot this salesforce.com sign up. This thing developer dot salesforce.com sign up. See here, you have to go with 1 second. See here, developer.salesforce.com. In case we have to sign in or sign up, create account in Salesforce, like that, you have to go with 30 days trial version only available. You have to create 30 days trial version means after 30 days, the org is not available. So you have to go with this URL only. This developer.salesforce.com, sign up. This is the URL to log in. So sorry, create the Salesforce org, new Salesforce org. In case you have to create in a new Salesforce org, this is the way you have to do. First name, I'm adding Yaksha. Last name is 38, I'm adding. Email address. Yeah, I'm adding one email address. And the role, I'm adding developer. Company name, I'm adding XYZ company. Country, region, we have to add country and region. I'm adding India. State or province, Telangana. Postal code 530032. And here I'm adding, like this is the way, 38 I'm adding Yaksha 38 at it.com. This is unique key thing. Entire Salesforce, this is unique key thing. Once you have to username you're adding, checking that username is available or not. Sign me up. See here. It will take some time. Then we are getting the notification on email. We are getting the notification on email. Like we are getting the notification. We are getting the notification, and once we have to open the email, and there we have verify your account. Verify your account and reset your password. Reset your password, and then we have to once reset password. Almost there. Here, see, almost there. Please check your email to verify your account. See here, you are getting the email. Verify your identity in Salesforce. Like similar way, we are getting the email. It will take some time, but definitely we are getting the notification. So we are getting email. See here, like this is the way you are getting the notification and verify your account. And here you have to get the URL and username. This is for last class people, Yaksha 37, now Yaksha 38 at it.com. I'm adding uh, this username, and verify account means you have to add password. You have to password, new password and confirm password, and the hint question asking you have to provide those things. And then once you are entered into the organization, or you have to, you people knowing about in this email, see here, username is there and password also, once verify, password also is there. Then you have to go to this, or just you have to, you people knowing about the URL, that is fine. You don't know about URL, just you have to go with login.salesforce.com. Login.salesforce.com. You have to provide, this is the way, username and password to provide, and then login. Once you enter into the arc, once you're providing the details and login, you enter into the arc, and there we can I can explain those things in next classes. See here, in case we have to provide mobile number, and next time onwards you are getting the security code, and you are entering that security code. Like this is the classic view. This is the classic view. We are not going with this classic view. We have to switch to lightning experience. Switch to lightning experience. This is the lightning view. This is the way we have to see. The once you're entering, this is the logo, organization, the client is there now, the client logo. Now we are entering to the arc with one user. In case we have to create the users means in any client, under client, they're tracking the customer's information means, like there is having a marketing team, sales team, support team, and different teams is there, and they're working on this customer's information tracking and these all things now. So we have to create the users for them, and a similar way we have to that client people who is working under client, there is a administrator means remaining administrators, and for in case working on it developers on these applications for themselves creating the users. We can discuss more on this in next classes, just how we can enter into the Salesforce. I explained before. So this is arc. Here we have to see the applications. What are the applications we have in this arc? This 9 dots is there now. We are calling as an app launcher. Here we have to see the all applications. What are the applications? Sales application, service application, this charter, community, like different applications we have. See now. Next class, I'm explaining about the remaining things. And we have to, I will explain about in next class what are the things we have on UI. We can see once logging on. Then I'm explaining the, I will start this admin part. Okay. You people having any doubts, please ask now. related to the Salesforce and CRM course related things, and you people having any doubts? Most of the cases, non-IT people asking doubts. They're not having any experience, and in your academic also, there is no related to the software uh, languages. Like few people having definitely having doubts. Please ask now. I will clarify. No doubts. If people are having any doubts, please ping me on group also. Will reply on that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.